Jack, today we have an incredible story to unveil. The amazing secrets of giraffes revealed. So let's dive into the wonderful world of giraffes. Oh, good! Did you know that giraffes are the largest animals in the world? That's right! Giraffes are as big as 2 adult elephants put together. Isn't that amazing? Giraffes have long necks. And do you know why? Well, their long necks help them to reach the delicious leaves high up in the trees. They can snack on leaves that no other animal can reach. But that's not all. They also have a very long tongue. Giraffes can use their long tongue to grab leaves and pull them straight into their mouths. Yummy! And now for the most amazing secret. Did you know that giraffes sleep very little? They only sleep between 5 and 30 minutes a day. It's even less sleep than you get in a nap. Let's discover the giraffe's superpower. Drum roll, please. Giraffes have super strong legs, which they use to kick and protect themselves for danger. In fact, their kick is so powerful that it can make a lion run for cover. Jack, that's all. I hope you enjoyed discovering the amazing secret of giraffes. Let's go home. Bye. Bye.
Flip, flop,